Clear signs this evening that Jamaicans could go to the polls soon for a local government election. In Parliament on Tuesday, the Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clark, announced the allocation of $1.7 billion towards the election. Kelisha Williams has that story.
First, a release from the Electoral Office of Jamaica on September 21, declaring that Election Day workers are being recruited for upcoming and future elections. Then, during the tabling of the third supplementary estimates in Parliament on Tuesday,
the net increase of $1.4 billion on the recurrent programs is therefore the end result of adjustments that include $1.7 billion allocated for the holding of local government elections within the fiscal year.
That announcement also aroused the suspicion of opposition spokesman on finance, Julian Robinson.
I'm happy that there's an allocation for the holding of elections, and I hope we never ever have a situation where the government does not make an allocation for the holding of elections. And it's clear that the minister is providing a lot in anticipation of something that may come, because I see a lot of money going to different places in anticipation of things happening.
While he was happy that the local government election is around the corner, Mr. Robinson raised concerns about the reduction in capital expenditure, which is money used to fix roads, bridges, and other infrastructure.
We get into a stage where we cannot implement projects. I was lamenting with my colleague from Northeast St. Andrew that we can't spend the $40 million allocated to MPs for roads almost 10 months after the allocation was done. And I believe we have to examine how we deal with public procurement.
The capital expenditure envelope has a number of projects, A to Z. All of those are continuing. But in addition to that, it has a contingency provision in the event that new projects come on stream. So that is where the reduction is coming from. I agree with the overall sentiment that is undesirable. However, at least it's coming from the contingency provision and not from the postponement or cancellation of any particular project.
The third supplementary estimates will go before the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee for further discussion. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.
And